Come on. Boy, you already know. True. Shout out to my homies. You already know.
Shout out.
Shout out to my girl, Monet.
Asia, Gina, I'm watching my home.
You see my little bro, Kid?
Yeah, shout out to Wasabi. My cousin, bro. My cousin.
Happy my nigga Eddie, Twin Funk, Chuck.
You already know. OD from home.
All the damn
I'm from all my
You already
niggas.
know.
You already know I'm from all my niggas. I'm from all the
Bitches out here is trap.
Trap,
Trap as fuck.
I'm from
You fuck with the bitch, they go to a next nigga and suck their dick. That's some trap shit.
All they gotta do is whole hop and whole hop.
Yeah, I live in Albany, my nigga.
G out here. Like my Winslows and my branches. My branch, that's my mama.
You already know, my nigga. I got the dice, my nigga.
Fresh haircut, you already know.
Fresh edge, you already know.
Fresh edge, yeah. Yeah, you already know. Look at all my crews. Yeah. I get all my niggas. Yeah. You know I get my cousins.
Free my sister Tia. You know, A.
Free Tia, A.
Look at it.
Free nigga. All the homies, you know. L, you know, all the uptown.
I'm in the store still, my nigga.
Don't stop blocking niggas up, you know, man.
Like troll.
Chill.
We out this shit though.
And my son called out, you know, he be like, troll. And my son
Dino, you already know.
You know,
My son down, Prodigy, my son C-Dale, you already know.
My kid.
Polo Man, bar right here, you already know.
I know,
AKA, so I see Polo, you see the dice.
Yeah, but you know,
4, 5, 6.
Shake those, man.
Shake them bitches.
Shake them, bitches. Blick. Out here, you know, man.
Out here, you know. PGP or not. GGP or not.